Okay, so I am going to talk about sports injuries and why they took so long to treat them here in Peru. Normally, when you have a sports injury, maybe playing basketball or playing football, you have an ankle sprain, you go to the doctor. After going to the doctor, he evaluates you and then he gives you a diagnosis. But before that, he needs to normally he send you to took an MRI test. After you took the MRI, you go back to the doctor and he evaluate this MRI, and after that he will give you a diagnosis. Normally, if you have an ankle sprain, maybe a second grade ankle sprain, he will tell you to have therapies, and after that you will need to go to physical therapy. The problem is that from the time you had the ankle sprain to the time you start the physical therapies, or maybe even have a diagnosis, it could pass 4 weeks, a month. Why? Because here in Peru there are not so many places that have MRI machines. So if you want to have an appointment, it's going to be very difficult to have one maybe to the next day or at the moment. Normally it takes 2 weeks to have an MRI, and then you have to do an appointment to have an appointment with your doctor to see the results of this MRI. What could we do here in Peru to improve this? In my opinion, there are two things that you could do. They should implement more machines, more MRI machines, so the time for the appointment could be less, and there should be more places that do physical therapy. Normally, you do the physical therapy at the same clinic that you were attended, and this is very, very difficult because there are so many people that have ankle sprains or maybe problems with a knee, or in general sports injury, and the time for you to go to the clinic to start your physical therapy, it could be maybe 2 months, 3 months. And here in Peru, I just know 2 places that give you, private places that can give you physical therapy, but they're also with a lot of people. So another solution could be to have more places here that can give this service to the people. This will help a lot to improve the recovery of the athletes here in our country. Thank you.